If you want to make your first dollar online or you want to grow your existing business, then you must have a website. And I don't mean just some pretty website with your logo and some social media icons. I mean a website that is not only stunning and eye-catching, but one that actually helps you grow your business, make money, and build your online presence. In my 7 years of making money online, I have built multiple websites, and I've even paid web designers thousands of dollars to build websites for me. And I can tell you, it takes tons of time to build a website, or it could cost you thousands of dollars to have a professional build one for you. If AI tools like the one I'm about to show you were around when I started my online business, whoa, I would have 10x'd my business year after year after year. You are one of the lucky ones, my friend, because I'm going to help you skip to the front of the line and save thousands of dollars. This new AI tool is going to help you build a stunning, eye-catching website in just 30 seconds. But not only that, it's going to help you grow your business, get leads, and make more money. The AI tool I'm talking about is called Durable, and Durable helps you build a website in literally 30 seconds without coding, without design skills, and without all the techie stuff. With Durable, anybody can churn their existing skills or talents into a profitable and stable online business. And Durable is more than just an AI website builder. They also help you grow your business, drive traffic, find customers, get paid, and my favorite, automate your business. Because if you know me, I like to work smarter and not harder. So let's dive into my computer right now, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to build your first website in just 30 seconds without coding, without design skills, without all the tech skills. And even more importantly, I'm going to show you guys how to use that website so you can collect leads or add people to your calendar so you can grow your business and you can, yes, make more money and save yourself some time by working smarter and not harder. Let's go. Now, before we jump into the demo, if you guys want to get started today and generate your first website for free, you can head on over to Durable. I will make sure to put the Durable link for you guys in the description below. Also, the good people at Durable who are sponsoring this video today gave me a special discount code for you guys. So if you decide to do one of the paid options, you can save a little money. And this is at no additional cost to you. But if you do end up going with one of the paid options, I will get a little commission, which helps me and my channel. So thank you so much for that. Now, when you come to the Durable website, a couple things I want to point out here. On the top left, you'll see products. As I mentioned, it's more than just an AI website builder. Now, we're just going to cover the website builder today, but you have CRM, invoicing, blog building, AI brand builder. Now, to get started, you can simply go to the top right-hand side where it says build your site, or the bottom left here, you'll see generate your website. So just click on that button. Now you want to type in the business you are building. For this particular example, I'm going to use landscaping, and then I'll put that in, and this is going to help AI build the website. So make sure that you make this as accurate to your business description as possible. Then hit next. Put in your location and then enter your business name. If you don't have a business name yet, guys, don't worry. Just put in your name to get started. I'm going to call this Green Thumb, and then I'm simply going to hit generate website. There's my website, guys, and I don't even think that was 30 seconds. This is great. So look, it created a beautiful website for me. Now, keep in mind, you're going to probably make some changes to this, but this has saved you tons and tons of time. So it even generated a little logo for me, and then it has a nice headline and a sub headline. It's got the contact us, book now, and then you have a little description here, beautiful pictures. Look at this. These are lawn care solutions, garden design advice. And then you have here, this could be a blog post. These could be the different services that my landscaping offers. And then it talks about the company, right? Leading the way in Chicago landscaping. And of course, you'd go in here and you'd make the changes, but it lays out everything the way you would want your website to show up, right? When you build a website, you want each section to kind of be in order. You don't just start with contact information or the about us. There is a format and a structure to a website. And then you see here, it has the about us section and so on. So let me show you how to edit this. It is super easy. What I want to start with is by showing you how to edit the section. Now, when we start to customize, so keep in mind, AI builds the website for you, but you can also customize. You do not have to stay with this exact design, but AI is going to do most of the heavy lifting. So now in order to customize, we're going to hit edit section, and it's going to ask me to sign up. You can sign up with Google. You can enter an email and a password, however you want to do it. So I'm just going to put how I heard about Durable, and then I'm going to sign up with Google, and I'll come right back. Okay, so I've created my account, and it's taken me right back to my design. If I want to change the headline, I can simply click on the headline, and then over on the right hand side, you'll see here is the heading, and then here is the subtext. I can simply click regenerate. There we go. Create your dream yard. Let's see what else it gives me. Transform your outdoor space. I love that. And then I can do the same thing with the subtext. Also, the images in the back, if I go to the Style tab, not only can I go here to colors and change the colors of the background, but I can also customize my colors as well. And then under Style, I can change the button style, but the images in the back, I can hit regenerate until it gives me an image that I like best. Look at that. That's perfect. I like that. So I'm going to stay with that. And then one more thing I wanted to show you here under this tab is you have the option to change your divider. So I can click on divider, and then look, it's going to give me all these cool little options that I can do. I like this one. So I'm going to stay with that. I'm going to click done. And you can also click here and simply write in your own text if you want as well. Okay. So you can do that also. And then you can also change the fonts, you can change the colors, you can change these buttons, all sorts of things. Now, let's say I don't want this particular section. I can simply go here and just delete that and hit delete. I don't want that big image there, okay? But you can see there's a little bit too much white here. So what I want to do is I want to move this section up so I can go to this section and simply hit the up button. And then it'll take me up one. So now I have picture, text, okay? And then I can go down the line and do the same thing here. I could even click add a section, and it'll give me all the different types of sections I could add. Text and image, image carousel, image grid, simply just put in an image. So if I do this, and it's going to give me that image again. I can also regenerate the images. Okay, until I find something I like. So there's lots of stuff you can do here. And then up on the top left, you'll see there's a Style tab. With the Style tab, I can change the overall colors of my website, so to fit my brand more, and this will change all the different colors, and then I can also customize that as well. Also under the Style tab, I can change the different types of fonts. What I love about this is that it gives me existing font packs, so I don't have to guess which sub font works with the headline font. I can click it and it's going to give me the best pairs to use. Now, my recommendation is when you do choose fonts, stay with something very simple like the Switzer, this Hankin, or this Inter. You don't want to get too flashy. You want to keep it very simple and easy to read. With widgets, this is really cool. You can add in these widgets. So you can add in a messenger chat, a WhatsApp button, Telegram button, or a cookie notice. And then I want to show you here, if you click on this little desktop icon, you can see how it looks as a tablet. And then you can also see how it looks on an iPhone. So you get a great idea of what your website will look like on the different devices. I promised you I was going to show you how to make money by getting leads. So what we want to do here is, now I'm going to save this, is we need to add a page to collect our leads. And this is really, really important. Now, if I go up here to this plus button, it says create page. I want to create a page. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to give me options here. Now, what I love about this is it gives me the layouts for blog posts, about us, terms and service, privacy policy, services. So again, AI is working its magic and making life for us a lot easier. I can tell you firsthand, building out your services page, your privacy policy page, your terms of service is a pain in the butt, and it takes a lot of time. Durable helps you cut that time in half and then some. And you can also start with a blank page. But for this, we're going to use a contact page. So I'm simply going to click add, and this will make sense in a minute how we're going to come to this page. For this particular contact page, I do not want all of this other stuff. So I'm just going to delete it. I don't need a map of Chicago. I'm going to delete that. All I want is the contact information. That's all I want them to see. I only want them to take one action, and that is to give me their email. Now, what's cool is if I click on here, I can also change the layout of this. So if I go to style, I can go to the form alignment here, and I can have it on the left, on the right, but I like it in the middle just like that. And then I can also change the color of the field. So if I want the input field to be very light, I can do it. I think you want to stay something like a moderate, or even better might be just basic light, okay? And of course, you can change all this text to have it read whatever you want. My recommendation here is to have a strong call to action. Enter your email and name today to set up your free coaching call, right? Enter your name and email to receive my free landscaping guide for 2024. There's lots of different things you can do here. This is how you're going to collect their email and start growing your business. And you can also click the Manage Field button, and you can put in phone if you want them to add their phone. That's an option as well. Also, what's really cool is if you do a lot of work over the phone and you have a calendar and you want people to book times with you, you can go here to add section, and then you can type in calendar, CAL for short, and then you have an option to do Calendly. And if you haven't used Calendly, it's a great tool. You can put in your Calendly link here, then people can see your schedule, see what your availability is, and book directly through Calendly. So that is a great option. Now, once you're done with that, make sure you click save. Now, once we're done with our contact page, we actually want to link that to the button on our homepage. So I'm going to go back to the homepage. I'm going to go to the Book Now button, and I actually want to delete this button. I only want the Contact Us button. Now I'm going to click on the Contact Us, and you could also change this to Book Your Free Call. Whatever you want it to be, whatever your call to action is. And then the link type is going to be page, because we want to send it to a page on our website. So label is book your free call, and then the page is going to be contact. That's the page that we just created. You can also set to have it open in a different browser, whatever you want to do. And then click done. Now let's save, and then let's preview and make sure that everything is working properly. There's our website. Look at that. That's beautiful. And then book a free call. Boom. There it is. That's where people are going to put in their name, their email, their phone, their message. And that's how you're going to start collecting leads. And that's how you're going to start growing your business. That's how you're going to start making money online. That's how you are going to be happier making passive income working from anywhere in the world. Now, if you want to publish, you will need the pro version. You can also add your custom domain to this. So upgrade and get professional domain. You can level up your business, automated SEO, analytics, and more. So the different plans they have a starter, which is only $12 per month, billed yearly. That is awesome. And then $20, and then the mogul. All you would need would be the starter for $12. But again, you can get started using this tool for free. If you guys want to get started with Durable, make sure you head to the link below in the description. You can get started with Durable today. And if you decide to upgrade to one of these advanced plans, I do have a nice coupon code in there for you guys to help you save a little money. This is at no additional cost to you, but if you do sign up, my channel gets a little bit of money that helps me, helps out my channel. So thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. I think Durable is an amazing tool for aspiring digital entrepreneurs who are looking to make their first dollar online or grow their existing business. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.